Okay, scholars, in this video, we will talk about graphing lines in standard form. This is on page 35 in your interactive notebook, and the homework that goes with this is page 36 and 37 in your interactive notebook. Please make sure at the end of the video to take pictures of all the pages, including the homework, and turn them in teams. All right, let's get started. It says, standard form is especially useful for graphing. To make a line, all we need are 2 points that we can connect. For this, we use the x-intercept, where x is the number on the graph and y is 0, and the y-intercept, where x is 0 and y is the place where it crosses the y-axis. All right. It says in the note, to find the x-intercept, substitute y equals 0 into the equation and solve for x. To find the y-intercept, substitute x in for 0 and into the equation and solve for y. So we'll do this one together. Graph 2x plus 3y equals 12 by the intercepts. So to find the x-intercept, that means to find x if y equals 0. So we have 2x plus 3y equals 12. We're going to substitute y with 0. This cancels. 2x equals 12. Divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 6. So your intercept is 6, 0. Then you're going to find the y-intercept, which means find y if x equals 0. So you're going to do the same process. 2x plus 3y equals 12. We're going to substitute 0 for x. That cancels. 3y equals 12. Divide both sides by 3, and y equals 4. So our y-intercept is 0, 4. Next, we're going to state the intercepts. The x-intercept is 6, 0. The y-intercept is 0, 4. Now, we're going to graph. We're going to start at the origin. We said our x-intercept is 6, 0. So we start at the origin and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our x-intercept. Our y-intercept is 0, 4. So we start again at the origin. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we draw our graph. We connect our, now I can't draw a straight line for real. So y'all just pretend like it's straight. And we put arrows on the end of our graphs because lines are infinite. And that's all there is to it. So use this example to complete page 36 and 37. Make sure to take a picture of each page and attach them to the correct assignment in teams. See you in the next video.